What up, everybody? It's Letitia with BEARFRUIT GARDENING. We ain't got time for this. It's about to frost tonight. I ain't got time. Y'all can see my fig trees are starting to leaf back out. A frost came before and so killed all the leaves, and I was like, oh Lord, are they gonna come back? And matter of fact, I reached out to somebody on YouTube and they never responded to my comment. I feel some kind of way. But they were just like, in their video they were talking about the frost coming. Actually, they had hail in the video. It was hailing, and he had significant amount of fig trees outside, but they also had leaves on them and everything. So I don't know what happened, but I just know that mine died back. So what I wanted to do was get these guys inside. They are cold hardy. I just don't want the leaves to be killed again. So in cold hardy, I think down to like 22, I mean negative, let's see, negative 10 degrees. Don't quote me on that, I might be wrong, but they're pretty cold hardy. I have the Chicago hardy fig here, an Olympian fig there, and a white Marseille fig there. So let me get these in the shed. Y'all can see they just starting to leaf back out. I was like, oh no. Ooh, they heavy. I might have to, yeah, hold on just a second, y'all. Okay, so it's like, man, you've been working so hard on getting, you know, your crops ready, and then something like this happens. And again, we can't control it, but I'm gonna do the best I can to help everything. What I wish I would have done before I put all this in here was get them pots over there, because I could cover up my tomato plants and stuff with that's already in the garden beds. Dang, Tisha. Okay, wait a minute. And y'all hear me breathing hard. I mean, harder than usual. I'm working on that, but that was from lifting these guys. It's kind of fun playing in the rain, though. I'm playing in the rain, just playing. I'm not playing. This frost is coming, y'all. It's crazy, and it's been raining all day, just like this, all day, and that just ain't right. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so what I'm hoping is, you know, I got some cucumbers and some squashes. Y'all didn't even see all these. Hold up. I didn't mean to put that back there like that. Hold on. Let's see. So at least they won't be touched by the frost. Oh, man. But look at that. Pretty, beautiful plants. Pretty, beautiful plants. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna get a frost. What kind of ish? Let's see. I got some butternut squash. Some, what's this beautiful thing? 8-ball zucchini. You know, beautiful, beautiful plants. Some pumpkins going on here. And then a daggone frost are gonna come. What kind of mess is this? Apparently, I watched a video just a little bit ago, and apparently the strawberries would have been fine if they didn't have flowers on them already. And mine do. I ain't even got to where I'm taking them out the pot yet and putting them in the ground, but they have flowers, so I got to bring them inside. We got some Itachi cucumber. What's this guy? Some sugar pie pumpkin, Itachi cucumber, sugar pie pumpkin, Itachi cucumber, sugar pie pumpkin look like. And I think these are watermelons, and I just planted those seeds and they ain't come up yet. Those are sugar baby. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna try my best. So they should be okay in here. They should be fine. I did leave the plastic over top, but it's not touching and it's not getting wet in here. So it should be fine, just to help shield it with some more warmth. I'm a little worried about these guys though. They already looking a hot mess. But what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to pull this burlap out right here and throw it over top of, let's see. Throw it over top of this stuff. Oh man. Yeah, I can't do this one-handed. So I'm gonna take this burlap and just throw it over top, just in case. Cause look, y'all, I got a hole in the ceiling, and I didn't know. I wasn't paying no attention. And there's a few other wet spots now that I'm looking. Dagnabbit. Okay, well, it is what it is. I don't necessarily hear it drip, but it's wet, y'all. I really want to turn this into a greenhouse. That's what I want to do with my life. I want to take the roofing off, take the outside, whatever that's called, off. Okay, you can now you can see that the light coming in right there. And before, last year, I didn't see that, but now I see it. So this got to come off. I could probably just kick that out, can't I? Just kick it. Yeah, cha, wacha. Yeah, get a little big girl from me out here to kick it. She been practicing karate lately and taekwondo. So get her to kick it out. I don't know, because that's all it looked like. It looked like dry boards, you know, boards that have been glued in across there. Now that I'm looking at it, and I don't know much about construction, I don't know anything, so I'm just banking on that's what it is. And turn this into a greenhouse. I'm gonna keep the back part, right, the pegboard and stuff, and maybe create some little windows so it can vent up here. But you know, I already got my shoving in, so why change that? You know what I'm saying? Maybe I can do another shelf across here. I don't know, y'all. This is the south side of my house. It's just a thought. But I got all this stuff. Like, what would I do with all this stuff, right? I don't know. I'm gonna try to figure it out though, y'all. I'm yapping. Okay, back to the frost. Sorry. I'm glad I didn't plant the trellis out. But I was really waiting on that compost delivery. Yes, so I got my delivery. Special delivery. And so I got a lot of work to still do with that. And that doesn't look like a lot. That's a cubic yard, 1 cubic yard, 1.5 cubic yards. Lord, I was trying to get it out, of compost. And you know what? I'm thinking like, shoot, I might not have ordered enough. So we'll see. It doesn't look like a lot, but it is a lot once you get close to it. But I might not have ordered enough. I should have just ordered 3 cubic yards. But y'all, that cost, that expense, it's the delivery charge. That delivery charge was $75, and the store is like 15 minutes away. So that's what got me. That's what got me. And I don't know if I'll do that again. I'm gonna look for some people, because there's some people like on Facebook Marketplace and things that are just like looking to load stuff for people and deliver. And so I might go that route next time, or go to, somebody has suggested to me, go to U-Haul and rent a truck. I don't know what their stipulations are about, you know, putting dirt. Like, I have to clean it, probably have to clean it off and stuff, and that's fine. But I'll probably do that next time, y'all, because that's $75 charge. It only costs $20, I think, to rent a truck for a day. So yeah, I'm eating this one. That's okay though. You live and you learn. Okay, so I'm walking it back to see what else. I think I might even want to cover, my raspberry bush, y'all. I should probably cover it, because when that last frost came, it definitely killed the leaves. And then, my citrus tree, y'all. Yeah, it's inconvenient, y'all, but you know, just gotta take your time and get it done. So you came uncovered. I'm gonna get a pot and put over you and you, because this ain't gonna work. The bags ain't gonna work. The water's weighing it down. You know, it's not. I don't think the plant's getting wet inside. I'm gonna take this on out. And put a pot over that too. And I think that's all the warm weather crops. I got some underneath this citrus tree. This citrus tree need to go in the shed. It's not going back in my house because I had centipedes in it and all that. I'm not taking it back in my house. So if it dies, it dies. Okay. Yeah, it's just one of them things, y'all. We gotta plan for the crazy, if you can plan for it and get it done. So I'm gonna try to get this done, get out the rain. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all know I love y'all. Yeah, everything else is cold. cool weather crops, spinach, lettuces, parsley, mint, oregano, leeks, onions, spinach, Swiss chard, peas, carrots, all this cool weather crops. So do I have to move those? A resounding no. Those are fine. Now I got my sunflowers and stuff under here. So what I probably want to do is get the water off, but I think they'll be okay. Yes, I think they'll, nah, they're gonna freeze. I'm gonna have to take them in too. Okay, y'all, let me get my potatoes. Look at how they are coming up. Those are gonna have to be covered. I'm gonna take them on in the shed too. Okay, yeah. All right, let me get to it, y'all. I love y'all. Talk at you later. Bye.